Hello everyone, hello to all my friends and family. How y'all doing today? Hello to the YouTube community. How's everyone doing in that community? We're gonna start off our video with a little bit of de-slick. This is Urban Decay Complexion Primer. As far as my eyes, let's start with these. I'm just gonna shape up my eyebrows real quick. Nothing big. By the way, this is the NYX pencil, eyebrow pencil. My LA Girl Pro Concealer. So we're gonna go in with the front and just clean this up real quick. Right now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the Alrighty. Oh, and by the way, this is Grwm setting powder. I'm gonna set my eyes 15B palette. I like the colors that's in here. I usually come in, when I do my eyes, I usually come in with Patio and a couple of these other colors that's in here. So I usually come in with I think this color and this color. I played between these two for my transition color. I'm going with this Perfect. If y'all can see, I'm gonna use this Perfect. Okay, next off we're gonna start with the you see I put my little pink transition color up there. So next off we're gonna start with the NYX eyeshadow base. Go back in with this Morphe palette. Go right back in. Now we're gonna go on with the Masquerade palette. You can see. And I'm gonna go a little bit darker. I'm going in with this dark burgundy right here. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna blend this right in real quick. I'm going right back in with this. And then go back and forth with these two shades. And I'm gonna go in with this one right here, in between these two right here. Now I'm gonna put some toast. You can see that. Valley Girl Pro Concealer. I'm only going halfway with this. Now I'm gonna come straight in with this. Coming straight in with it. We're gonna pack this on there. Let me find a nice little packing brush. Looks like you could pack on something right here. This Sigma. What is this? Right now I'm going in with my Heavy Metal Urban Decay. Yeah, shout out to Urban Decay for making it my Swinto. Thank you, Urban Decay. Okay, I'm done with that part. Okay, another Urban Decay. I have a lot of Urban Decay products. Urban Decay Waterproof Eye Pack. Let's see how. Wipe 60 count. Smells good. I love it. I love it. I love it. The tea, and this is $4.50. where she went. So we're gonna go in with this I am going to set underneath my eyes. So have the little glow for it. And you like my little braid out, because that's all I did was French braid this and just took it loose. I dyed my hair maybe in October sometime. I dyed it, so yeah, let it get some volume up in here. So if you like my hair and makeup, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Remember, every day we gotta keep pushing. We know we know who takes care of us. We know who guides us and wakes us up every morning. Thank you for watching. I got another video coming up after this. Will be a Pier 1 haul. So if you like that video, comment, let me know how I'm doing, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.